RentPackage, the free advertising online rent management platform. Sign a contract online. Manage your tenant, manage your available house, and manage your rent collection. www.rentpackage.com.
Hello everyone, I'm Puck. Today I'm going to show you how to change a toilet flapper. Tools and materials. Toilet flapper. First, remove the tank's lid. It seems like this part of the flapper broke off. Remove the flapper and empty the tank. Next, take out the new flapper. Connect each side of the flapper to the pegs on the side of the flush valve. Disconnect the string attached to the flush lever. Adjust the string to a proper length, leaving some slack. After adjusting the length, tie the string to the flush lever. Test the flush cycle and see if it works. It's done. Also, toilet flappers can be purchased at hardware stores. That's all for today.
This video is brought to you by RentPackage Technology.